Hello guys, it's Mia here on Kids Cooking with Mia. Now today we are making really cheesy Vegemite Scrolls and they're super easy to make. All you need to do and all you need to have is 3 ingredients. 1, Vegemite, 2, pastry and 3, cheese. So the first step is to get a knife and get the Vegemite and get lots of Vegemite on it, the knife, and then just spread it all over the pastry like this. Now you need lots. If you don't have enough in the first one, well, you need to get some more. And it needs to be really thin. So yeah, I'm going to spread this out. Sometimes I use a spatula to spread it out and smooth it like this. It helps it be nice and thick and no lumps. And if there are any big lumps, there won't be because it will be smudged down. And it's really easy to do it. So next step, you need the grated cheese, and I use Parmesan because it is my favorite, but you can use any type of cheese. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it over. The next step is basically the fun part where you get to roll this up. But if it has any type of plastic, it's pretty hard. So you need to hold this and maybe like put your fingers like this and then just roll it. And it's a rolling cup. And it's kind of hard if you have sticky plastic and everything's stuck to it. So yeah. Basically, you can do it with one hand because that is much easier. That's what I just started doing. And so now, once you've rolled it all up, you can do marks on the pastry of where you need the cut, and it's about this big, each of them. So you just cut there. So keep cutting all the way down. And don't stop until there's no pastry left to cut. So now you need to put them in the pan and stand them up like it's a person. Okay, this. And well, this basically is kind of messy, this part. So yeah, if you get messy hands, you might need to wash them after. And make sure none of them fall down when at the next stage. Now we need to make sure they have a nice gap in between all of them. Now it's time to turn your oven up to 180 degrees. And then just get just a tiny bit of cheese and just sprinkle it over the top of each one, just like a tiny bit. And now they're ready to fit in the oven. Let's go. You need to close the oven and cook them for 15 minutes. Okay, here we go. Okay, so after about 15 minutes, the Vegemite Scrolls should be ready. Let's have a look. Yay, they're ready! And you have to have an adult to help you get it out because they are very hot. After you've got them out, you need to put them on the cooling rack. And then once they're probably it will take 5 minutes to cool down. And then you can put one on your plate and then enjoy it. Okay, so make sure you press that subscribe button and click the thumbs up, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!